Sweet chili fall off the bone wings. Do y'all see how bomb that meal looks? Yes, this meal was quick and easy. First, you want to start by getting you some chicken. Please make sure you clean your chicken. Add a little bit of oil. I'm using the Nice Spice All Day Everyday blend. And I'm also using Cooking Up a Bird Rub. Mix that well. This is how your chicken should look. I am adding my chicken to a baking dish and I'm going to cover it with foil and let it cook for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. I'm going to remove it from the oven, remove the foil, flip your chicken over, add it back to the oven for 30 minutes. And this is how your chicken should look. For the sauce, I'm using some sweet chili sauce, unsalted butter, sriracha, brown sugar, and some chili flakes with a little bit of chicken stock. And you got some quick and easy sauce. Add your wings to the sauce. Let your wings cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes. If you want to get your wings back crispy, put them back in the oven on broil for 5 minutes. I made me some white rice, y'all, broccoli with cheese, and some honey butter crescent rolls with the extra honey butter. And y'all know I love me some sauce. So yes, we're adding some extra sauce to my wings. And we got to put the sauce all over the rice. It will not be right. Do y'all see how bomb this meal looks? Spicy, sweet chili fall off the bone wings with some broccoli with cheese, honey butter crescent rolls with some white rice. Quick and easy. Try it now.